Okay, so 3 years ago, I got laid off from Apple. YouTube's fucking hard, dude. But no one fucking wants to hear that, dude. People want authenticity.
This was my first public talk in years, and this is how it went.
So anyways, this is where we start the real story. Okay, so 3 years ago, I got laid off from Apple. Yeah, I know, like really sad, cried. But actually, I was like really happy because the pandemic was over. I could finally come to Hong Kong and spend more time with my dad. So one more thing though, I also could go and chase my dream. I could finally go and become a big YouTuber. I'm getting PhD, watch out, Hanley's gonna come. I have 1,300 subs on my main channel, 25 subs on my AI channel, 24 subs on my ABC and China channel. I suck at this, right? But I'm still pretty good at coding, especially with all this AI stuff. I used to be a good programmer, then I got old and I became not so good, and now I'm very good again, way better than I ever was before. I'm gonna introduce you guys today to Vidiot. Vine video editing. But I'm doing something a little bit different. We're doing Vine editing, a new way to create. You drop your files in the folder, let it index it, go eat some ramen, come back, prompt it what video you want to make, go watch some YouTube, come back 5-10 minutes later, and your first draft is done. But we are focused on empowering creators to superpower them to make better and more authentic content. Go ahead.
Okay, everyone, we've got for you one more thing.
I think everyone really liked it. I got some really great feedback and had some really great conversations after the presentation. If you're thinking about putting yourself out there again, just do it.